Sending cut sheets in KettleiQ. In this short training, I'll show you how to find the right sell sheet, preview it, and get it to a buyer, always the current version. Let's take a look. You'll find this under CRM, Marketing Material, from your dashboard. Cut sheets are the one-page sell sheets for your products, the kind you hand to a buyer or attach to an email. This page is your library of them, one per product, each with its package and a share tracking count. Browse or search to find the sheet for the product you need. Then click it to preview and make sure it's the right one before you send it. Picking the recipient up top keeps a record of who you shared it with. To get it to a customer, click Open to Preview, click Copy Share Link to send a trackable link, or use Export to save a copy in the format you need. Every share is logged so you can see what went out and when. I keep these sheets current centrally, so you're always pulling the latest version instead of an old file sitting on your phone. When a product's artwork or price changes, the sheet here updates for everyone.